How to customize Control Center on iPhone. Hey everyone, with iOS 18 and iPadOS 18, you can now organize your Control Center like never before, adding groups, resizing, and rearranging controls to suit your needs. Let me show you how to do it. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. To start customizing, tap Add Controls in the top left, or simply touch and hold anywhere outside a control. Tap Add a Control at the bottom to choose from recommended options, search for a specific control, or browse the control gallery, including third-party app controls. Let's add Translate to the Favorites group. Some controls can be resized by dragging the handle on the bottom right. To rearrange controls, just drag them to a new position. Let's move Flashlight to the bottom right corner for easier access. You can also add more groups by swiping past the last one available. Once you're happy with the layout, tap anywhere outside the controls, swipe up, or press the Home button to exit. Now your Control Center is set up just the way you like it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.